Potatoes. They're one of the most versatile foods out there, but how you prepare them can make all the difference to your health. Whether you fry them, boil them, or turn them into chips, each method has its own impact on your body. But which one should you choose if you're serious about your health? A 2023 study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that how we cook our potatoes can drastically change their nutritional value and even increase the risk of certain diseases. You're in the right place if you want to make smarter choices with your food. Today, we'll break down the pros and cons of each method and uncover which preparation is best for your health. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enjoy potatoes in a healthier way without sacrificing flavor. Stick with us. You won't want to miss what we reveal at the end. Let's start with the most indulgent, fried potatoes. Whether it's fries or wedges, frying potatoes adds a hefty amount of calories and unhealthy fats. A single serving of fries contains about 312 calories and is loaded with trans fats that have been linked to heart disease and obesity. Plus, frying at high temperatures creates harmful chemicals like acrylamide, which has been flagged as a potential cancer risk. Next up, chips. You might think chips are just sliced potatoes, but don't be fooled. Chips are even worse. Packed with excessive salt and fried to a crisp, they're often loaded with additives to extend shelf life. A single serving of chips can have more than 150 milligrams of sodium. That's nearly 10% of your daily intake in just a handful. Over time, this can contribute to high blood pressure and kidney disease. Now let's talk about boiled potatoes. These are your healthiest option. Low in calories at just 87 per 100 grams, boiled potatoes retain essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They also help keep you full longer, making them perfect for weight management. Boiling preserves their nutrients without adding unhealthy fats or excessive salt, making them the clear winner for those looking to improve heart health and digestion. Want to add some flavor without sacrificing health? After boiling, drizzle your potatoes with a little olive oil. Add some herbs like rosemary or parsley, and you've got a delicious, heart-healthy dish that doesn't compromise on taste. While fried and chipped potatoes might be tasty, consuming them regularly comes with side effects like weight gain, high cholesterol, and increased risk of heart disease. Boiled potatoes, when eaten in moderation, offer a healthy alternative, but even they should be balanced with other nutrient-rich foods to avoid excess starch. So, if you're craving potatoes, now you know the healthiest way to enjoy them. Remember, small changes in how you prepare your food can make a big difference to your health. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments how you prepare your potatoes. See you next time.